Hey guys, I'm Johnathan Sparks with Sparks Law. I'm going to give you the top tip for maintaining your limited liability.
What is limited liability?
Limited liability is the greatest legal technology
that we've ever had.
Quite simply, it allows you to invest into a venture that you're excited about, take some risk, and if something goes wrong with that company, you get to shut it down, and typically you get to walk away from your investment. Whoever sues the company probably won't get anything but the value of that company, however big or small it is, and then you can walk away with your personal assets protected, your car, your house, your inheritance, all of that stuff. Okay, if you find any of this helpful, please feel free to reach out to us, 470-268-5234. You can find us anytime online, www.sparkslawpractice.com. Okay, so the top tip for maintaining your limited liability, which is really one of the most important things for all of us business heads, all of us entrepreneurs, is having an operating agreement or a set of bylaws and shareholder agreements if you have a corporation. Most of us have LLCs these days because it's just the modern streamlined version. If you have that, you need what's called an operating agreement. If and when you get sued, and you will get sued when you're successful, because when you're successful, you get sued. People want to take part of the pie, right? So when you get sued, one of the first things they're going to ask for is, do you have an operating agreement in place that was written before whatever gave rise to this lawsuit? You can't write it after, you got to write it before. If you're in a partnership, you have to put the terms of the operating agreement in the operating agreement for that partnership agreement. So what happens if a partner dies? What happens if a partner wants to sell his or her shares to a third party that you've never met and that you don't know? You got to put all of that stuff into your buy-sell provision in your operating agreement. If you find any of this helpful, give us a shout, 470-268-5234. Feel free to tell your friends. We're at www.sparkslawpractice.com. Keep rocking, guys.